Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and thank you for tuning in. So I went to the Dollar Tree on an errand to look for tabletop gaming supplies, and I forgot that it was school season, so it was filled with all sorts of things like bears and school supplies. Adjacent to placards proclaiming autumn leaves and pumpkins please, I love fall most of all y'all, were these blank six-sided dice with an area for you to write in your own probabilities. You can make a D3. You can make oracle dice saying something like yes, no, maybe. I also saw in the craft section a make your own D&D DIY beholder kit in orange. That was right next to the Halloween supplies, which are starting to filter in, and they had things like this plushy skeleton and Frankenstein monster and big erasers to erase all those mistakes you've made in your life. I also found a complete 10-piece set of D6s so you can upcast your fireball spell in game. There was this dinosaur that's pretty nice scale for D&D that you could paint for your campaigns next to big scary bugs. There was a pack of these reptiles and scorpions and all sorts of little sea creatures that you can easily swap in for very inexpensive miniatures. Giraffes, rhinoceros, horses. There was a pack for $1.25. If you're on a budget, the Dollar Tree is a great place to find stuff for your tabletop games. So I came here to get some Gaslands supplies, and so I picked up a bag of this sand and a bag of this gravel for my buddy so he can start making terrain and whatnot for Gaslands refuel. To be honest, the Dollar Tree did not really have a whole lot of stuff to work with. This month, I think they spent most of their budget on Sharpies and papers and things like that for school supplies. So if you're looking for that sort of stuff, now is a great time to go to the Dollar Tree. A quick jaunt down the craft aisle, and I picked up some Eileen's tacky glue. My mother used to carry a bottle of this in her purse, so I call this the purse-sized Eileen's. And if you're into Mod Podge, they have it. I also found these wood pieces that would be great for pallets in a warehouse, or if you need them for a dock. DIY dice trays. There's just an odd little random selection of wood bits that you can use to make stuff. I think this would be great for docks of Waterdeep or Neverwinter or some other sort of tabletop campaign, and even little things like cute little stuff like this, little sharks. Dun-dun. You may have seen crafts for these on the interwebs and YouTube on how to turn those into tabletop terrain buildings. Dollar Tree had those for $1.25. And you're also going to have little jars and disposable gloves, all sorts of little random things and tools to use to craft items for your tabletop games. This is a really great, affordable place to buy stuff. They're even carrying fabric now, so if you want to sew a custom dice bag, they've got little fabric swatches for you there. And in other videos, I've shown how to make these into potions of healing or other tabletop player handouts. Players really love this stuff. And we're beginning to get into the Halloween season, so stuff like this, skulls are creeping up, if you want to go ahead and incorporate these in your designs. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you got some ideas and inspirations for your tabletop games. Happy crafting, everyone. Have a good one.